This is the HAIRBEAURON Straight. So the power button is right down here. And then I'm going to press the plus button to turn it all the way up to 360. Our device is just about heated up to 360 degrees. You want to use the HAIRBEAURON Straight in slow and even passes so that you're slowly treating the hair while also styling it. Many people like to compare this device to a traditional straightener, but a traditional straightener could never heal the hair the way that the HAIRBEAURON Straight does. You can see that this device immediately reduces any friction or frizz in her hair. It feels so much smoother and softer, it has a shinier, healthier appearance, and it just improves the hair overall.